Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix touchscreen not responding on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end, follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste of time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is clean your screen. If your iPhone screen is dirty, it might become unresponsive. Touch screen works by having an electrostatic charge on the screen. When the touch the display, your finger disturbs this charge. This lets your iPhone determine where you are touching the respond and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying this solution number two. Solution number two is water damage. Was your iPhone recently exposed to water or any other liquid? If yes, then your screen may be unresponsive due to water damage. Your iPhone may be water resistant but does not mean it's waterproof and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying this solution number three. Solution number three is low quality screen protector. Thick, low quality screen protector mess with your screen's ability to detect touch input. So remove your screen protector and see if your iPhone touch screen start working again. If it does not, the protector is at fault and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying this solution number four. Solution number four is there is an accessories connected to the lightning port. In rare cases, connecting an accessories to your iPhone charging port can miss the touchscreen. To fix this, disconnect all lightning accessories including your charger and fix your problem. Solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is your iPhone is too hot or cold. Your iPhone has an operating temperature range of 32 to 95 degrees. At higher temperatures, its display may dim or go black. This is the device built to protection to regulate its temperature. In some cases, your iPhone touchscreen may also become unresponsive. Similarly, using your iPhone in condition colder than 32 degrees can also cause it to turn off or become unresponsive and fix your problem. Solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is temporary software glitch. Apple's iOS software can sometimes glitch during regular use. This makes it look like the touchscreen is not responding. To troubleshoot this, restart your iPhone. Simply tap on the settings. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on shutdown, slide to power up. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, enter your iPhone passcode and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix touchscreen not responding on your iPhone in iOS 18 update fixed. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.